Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of machine translation and how AI is learning to understand context like never before. We're going to explore a new approach that's showing some serious promise in making translations more accurate and natural. So, we all know machine translation has come a long way, right? But even with the latest tech, translation models often stumble, especially when dealing with longer pieces of text. The main issue? They sometimes fail to grasp the context. Imagine reading a paragraph where a pronoun like he or she suddenly changes reference without any clear indication. That's the kind of problem context-aware machine translation tries to solve. Current models often struggle with long contexts or become overly complex, leading to the explain-away effect. This is where the model relies on easy-to-grab features and ignores the more nuanced contextual cues. This results in translations that might be grammatically correct but miss the underlying meaning. For example, a sentence like, "The dog chased the cat and it ran up a tree," could be mistranslated if the AI doesn't understand it refers to the cat. To tackle this, researchers are exploring ways to help the AI explain its translation choices by predicting coreference features in the input text. Coreference is all about identifying when different words or phrases refer to the same thing. For example, in the sentence John went to the store. He bought milk, John and he are coreferent because they both refer to the same person. If we want to translate this to another language, the AI needs to know that he is John to ensure that the correct gender and grammatical case are used. The new model works by predicting these coreference relationships in the input and using those predictions to inform the translation process. It's like the AI is asking itself, okay, who or what are we talking about here, and then using that answer to make better translation decisions. By understanding these connections, the model can avoid those confusing pronoun shifts and produce more coherent and accurate translations. The model uses both the original text and its translation to predict these coreference clusters, increasing the likelihood of an accurate translation. At its core, the system builds upon existing machine translation models, like the transformer model, which is known for its ability to handle long-range dependencies in text. The researchers didn't modify the original translation model itself. Instead, they added a component that predicts coreference. This component uses information from both the input text and the translation to identify relationships between mentions in the text. It's trained alongside the main translation task in a multitask learning setup. Now, for the exciting part, the results. The researchers tested their model on several benchmark datasets for document-level translation, including English to German and English to Russian, and multilingual TED Talk datasets. And the results were impressive. The model consistently outperformed other context-aware models, achieving improvements of over 1.0 BLEU score, a standard metric for evaluating translation quality. Further analysis revealed that the coreference explanation component consistently enhances the translation quality, regardless of the dataset size. Even more interesting, the model showed consistent improvement when more context was added, proving its effectiveness in handling larger text chunks. The team also found a strong link between the model's attention patterns and coreference clusters, which highlights how important coreference prediction is to the translation process. So, why should you care? Well, more accurate machine translation has huge implications. Think about global communication, access to information, and even international business. Imagine being able to read news articles, research papers, or even novels from other countries in your native language with a level of accuracy and nuance that was previously impossible. That's the potential of this research. Imagine a legal document with complex references translated flawlessly, ensuring no misinterpretations. Of course, there's still work to be done. The researchers noted that their coreference resolution component has a smaller hidden dimension size than typical state-of-the-art systems, which could limit its accuracy. Also, the model requires careful tuning of a hyperparameter to balance the coreference resolution and translation tasks. They also point out challenges in handling deixis, words like this or that whose meaning depends on context, in languages like Vietnamese, where understanding the full context is crucial for accurate pronoun translation. But overall, this is a really exciting step forward in the quest for truly intelligent machine translation. That's all for today, folks. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI and language-related content. Let me know in the comments what you think about context-aware machine translation and what other AI topics you'd like me to cover.